We have in this spot a red currant rovada, a hydrangea, an oak, and 2 hazel saplings. They've been potted here for a while. You can see the hazel is here, not much room to grow underneath. So I'm going to take the rovada cutting and put it at the front of the property, the entrance, and the hydrangea as well. I think I'm gonna put them maybe together or close by, and I'll see where I can put the hazel and the hazels and the oak. A tip for when taking plants out of pots: press on the sides for a bit. I've done it already, and then gently take from the stems without hurting them. I won't be able to do it with one hand holding the camera, but basically just lift from here and push on this with the other hand, and then the pot will go away. See? Very easy. You can see the state of the roots in here. Not too bad. They're not too badly tangled. I'm just gonna remove them gently from here and plant them either close by, or I'll find some nice spots in the garden. But yeah, the roots are really doing well. I was expecting them to be worse and tangled, but they're fine. So I'm gonna take the red currant because I know where this is going. This was just a cutting when I put it in, I think, or it might have been growing for a little while and it had some roots, but not as vigorous when I planted it in the pot. So I'm gonna put it at the front. Hopefully the deer won't munch on it, and it will let it grow. It's gonna go in here. The grass has just been trimmed. Just gonna put it in and bring some wood chips as well. I just gently tapped around here. I didn't press with my boot. More rubbish. I'm gonna cover it with wood chips and then water it. I took some more mycelium from near the apple and some wood chips from over here. Just gonna put it at the base of the red currant rovada. Gonna put the myceliated material first in contact with soil, and then the wood chips. I might bring some more wood chips here just to keep the grass from growing and allow the currant to develop. And in time, the compacted soil underneath will turn into rich soil, which will grow even more plants. I'm going to take some of the forget-me-nots growing here in the driveway and just transplant it next to the rovada currant. To be very gentle because this is very compacted here, and I don't want to damage the roots too much. Hopefully it will be okay. Small roots, but look how pretty that is. Such a beautiful plant. Just going to pop it in here. Okay, because the soil is very compacted there, I decided to bring some more from the garden and just add it in the hole, because this is a very tiny plant at the moment. I'll put it in, and I took some more. This is even better developed. I'll add them in. Tucking it in, gently covering with wood chips, not trying not to mix the wood chips too much in the soil, just putting it as a cover on top. And then we'll water. Tucking in from the sides. Just gonna water a bit so the soil settles and the wood chips settle, and then maybe I'll bring some more, maybe not. Some more wood chips, I mean. I think it will be okay for now. I'll keep an eye on and probably add wood chips at a later date. I think they will do very nice here, and I won't be surprised, but I will be very pleased to see wine caps popping through here in a couple of months. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.